Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Zach with Money Pit RC. I have a confession to make. So as you can tell by the title, we have a little problem with our K5 Blazer, our Traxxas TRX4. So my son and I put that thing through hell. We submerged it underwater. We basically made it a submarine. We go mudding with it. All we do is spray it off with a hose and we stick it on the shelf. We've had a couple issues. So the last time we tried to take it out, it wouldn't really move. So one, I'm pretty sure we fried the motor, and two, we have a whole bunch of seized bearings. So I ordered a new bearing kit for the axles because I already took it apart and I found half of the portal axle bearings were seized. I'm pretty impressed. It lasted about 2 years, giving it through heck and mudding and water and salt water at the beach. It was prone to happen. So it's my fault. It's fine. It's all in the hobby. It's all fun. We're gonna get it fixed up and we're gonna take it out and just kind of give it a little run. I kind of miss that thing. So like I said, we already had this thing apart because we wanted to see what actually was wrong. That's no good. So we're gonna get a new motor. We had the whole transmission out because we thought it was something inside there, but that spins nice and free. But then we realized that front wheels are completely locked up. So we need to take the axles apart, change all the bearings in the axles, and we should be set. Should be. So we're gonna take this thing apart, change out the bearings, and hopefully it fixes it. Nice and free, spins. These don't spin. So we're gonna take the portals off and replace all the bearings. So this is the bearing kit that we got. Winter evening, comes with all of, this is just for the axles themselves. So hopefully these work. All these bearings, seized. This one that goes for the drive shaft, seized. I mean, look inside that diff cover. Yeah, that's pretty good. So if you're gonna do stupid stuff, you win stupid prizes. And this is my prize. It's all part of the hobby, it's all fun. This is fun to me. I love doing this. Got the diff all situated, got it nice, spinning all free. So bearings and the diff done. We are now taking the portal apart because they are also seized, which I'm kind of impressed that the rear is not, but only the front. See, it's just caked and stuff. This bearing doesn't even move. One portal done. Very nice movement. It does help. As you're going back together, put some of this, this is just like marine grease. I coated the gears, I coated the front, I coated the diff, everything. So we're gonna get the other side, slap her all back together. Got the axles done. Hey, if every 2 years I gotta put a $20 bearing kit in this thing, I'm happy. Nothing else broke, everything is still original. Electronics are still good, besides this motor, but if I have to do 20 bucks every 2 years and literally abuse this thing, I think we're doing good. Well, I don't have an exact motor, but I do have an Enduro 12 turn. 21 turn, 12 turn, still 550 motors. I think it should be fine. All right, we got everything operational, servo's working, driving good. Everything is good. We're now ready to take it out and just drive this thing because I love it. So we're at the spot near the creek. The water's still low, so hopefully we can crawl on some of those rocks. Maybe we'll find some good ideas. Maybe we'll find some good lines, maybe we won't. Not really a crawler, it's more like a trail truck, but we'll try to get some good footage. So I was over at that other spot, and then I noticed that I had like barely any throttle control. And then I realized that the stock motor for these TRX4s are a reverse turn. So I had to switch around the wires for the motor, and now we're good to go. We got good slow control, and it's a lot better. So if you ever change out the motor in one of these TRX4s, just keep in mind that the motors are reverse turned, and you're gonna have to do that if you get a new motor. The water is so low. It's usually all the way up to like here. That is super low. Not used to that. At least the TRX4 has self-righting. Ah, come on. What the heck? Try it the other way. Nice. Did I already overheat it? How far do you think I can make it out on that tree? Not that far. So I really like the TRX4 High Trail. It's great. It's more of a trail truck just because the suspension makes it sit way too high. It topples over super easy. But other than that, I mean, it's cool. I really just like bashing this thing around, taking on stupid challenges and stuff. But I mean, it's been holding up great. 2 years, beat the heck out of it. Literally put it underwater. So like I said before, 20 bucks, I'll replace the bearings and put it back in the water. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I love the TRX4. I mean, it's a really great truck. My son enjoys driving it. It's just an easy, drivable truck. Make sure you guys leave a like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. You know I do everything through all your feedback. Catch you guys in the next video.